Hello, Karen. I am in Illinois. I'm about an hour west of Chicago. My license only allows me to practice in the state of Illinois with patients who live in Illinois. So, unfortunately, I can't help you unless you come to Illinois. However, I do have some links in my bio for free resources. Also, please Google tinnitus specialist near me and try to find an audiologist that specializes in tinnitus. There are so many things we can be doing to reduce the impact it's having on our life. And if we do things in a certain way, we can actually change the way that our brain responds to the sound, because tinnitus really is just a sound. And the issue is not that we're hearing the sound, the issue is how our brain is reacting to the sound. Our brain believes that tinnitus to be a threat. And so if we can make our brain realize that tinnitus is not a threat, it will become less impactful in our life. I myself am a tinnitus survivor. I started with tinnitus back in 2007. It's much better now. It really does not impact my day-to-day life. I rarely notice that I even have it. So you can get to this place. It just takes some time, some work, some practice, and some patience. I hope this helps. Please check out the link in my bio, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.